Good afternoon, my name is Juliana Ro, and then I will present the tax5 video tutorial. The three symbols for the consonant sounds of the AIPA alphabet, which I choose are P. Consonant. The place is alveolar as the form of articulation is fricate. D. Alveolar. The tongue contacts or approaches the upper alveoli. Fricate. The organs of the joint get closer without closing, leaving between them a narrow channel tongue which the air column, as it passes, produces a characteristic turbulent noise is friction that is of rubbing. Briar. I want the best house in the neighborhood. Pronunciation exercise. Top, pass. Number 2. Consonant The place is bilabial and the form of articulation is nasal sound. Nasal. The soft palate remains low without obstructing the nasal cavity, so that the air leaves both through the mouth and through the nose. Bilabial, they are produced by joining the upper and lower lips. This is Prior. She is going to watch that movie. Pronunciation exercise. Money, lamp. Number 3. Consonant P. The place is bilabial and the form of articulation is occlusive. D. Bilabial. They are produced by joining the upper and lower lip. Occlusive. The current of air from the lung is retained in the oral cavity for 1/1000 of a second and suddenly released. Prior. I need a pencil to do my homework. Pronunciation exercise. Top, apple. Thank you.